Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to drive with a new vehicle on Lyft? No problem, we will walk you through how to change your vehicle in the Lyft Driver app. Before change your vehicle in the make sure you have your new vehicle's required documents ready. Lyft needs to approve them before you can get behind the wheel. So let's get started. First, open your Lyft Driver app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Vehicles and Devices. From the menu, tap the plus sign to add a new vehicle. Next, select your new vehicle and upload the required documents. You will need to upload documents like your vehicle inspection and updated insurance. Make sure everything is in order. For the vehicle inspection, check your region's help center page for what's required. If no specific location are listed, then you can go to any licensed mechanic. Just make sure it's done before the inspection expires. Don't forget to update it insurance. Showing the vehicle year, make and model along with your name as the insured driver. Once you have uploaded everything, all that left is to wait. Lyft will approve your new vehicle within 24 hours. We will notify you once it's approved. Once approved, you are all set to drive with your new car. That's it. Changing your vehicle is quick and easy. Just remember to follow your region's specific requirements and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and enjoy your new ride with Lyft.